There we go. Okay, I'm also periscoping, in case anyone is interested. There we go. There we go. Kittens. I may have to get in there with you kittens. Super ferocious kittens. Oh. Hello. Oh wait, am I signed in? Oh wait, maybe it's working. Oh no. I'm not sure. Are we broadcasting? Oh, see, it seems like it's broadcasting. It just says that no one's watching. But I feel like at least someone might be watching. So since these guys didn't get an expanded nest yesterday. Hi! Oh, she's so ferocious. Is anyone watching the Periscope? And can you tell me if it's working? Because it says it's broadcasting, but it says no one's watching. So, could be not working. Okay, so it is working. It just doesn't look, okay. It just, for me, it just says zero. Like nothing's going on. I got nothing. Okay, thanks everybody. Good. You get front view and, oh, let's see if we can get a ferocious. So Trudy is just like Mommy. That's exactly what Mommy does. Periscope, we are Tiny Kittens HQ on Periscope, I think. The link should be, if you go to twitter.com/tinykittенshq, you'll get the link to the Periscope that you can click on. But it's Tiny Kittens, I'm pretty sure it's Tiny Kittens HQ on Periscope. You think that I should be sure of that since I set it up, but... This is, I have to say, the most tortitude I've seen in a 3-week-old kitten, feral or otherwise. She has serious tude. She is so mad. What are you doing, Barty? You're a good boy. This is Mellow, the mellowest kitten around. Oh, he's so cute. If I pick her up, she's gonna eat it. Alright, let's see, we'll see. She says, Oh, no, she's sad on you. It's hard to pick up. She's not impressed. This is why socialization is important. By the time these guys are ready for adoption, you'll never know that this is how it started for them. Rudy dude. Oh, it's just Periscope. It's Tiny Kittens. Just Tiny Kittens on Periscope. Sorry, everyone. You would think that I would know that. No, it's hard to say who the dads are. Since we've neutered so many of the boys out there. She's not gonna let it go. It's likely that the dads are more transient cats that we don't know as well. Oh, are you curious? Look at that little Maisie face, so cute. Hi. We need to get some light going the other way, huh? Look, you guys can come out of your little... Oh, you might like this. Look, it's a sparkle. She's the most ferocious kitten you've ever seen. Oh no, wait, this. Give it. That sound is hers. That's a spit. That's her spitting at me. There you go. Because she's tough, and that's very intimidating when she does that. Like this. Take it out on the puff ball, the sparkle puff. Oh, Barty wants to check out the sparkle puff. Hi. You're such a good boy. You're so mellow and confident. You got big giant paws. This guy's gonna be a treasure. He's already a treasure. He doesn't need much work. No. Nope, he doesn't need much work. He's handsome and brave. So, Mommy Sable right now is having some windowsill time. She had a little snack. She checked out the nest, had a little snack, and then went to her windowsill. Oh, hi! Oh, he's getting in my lap. That's cute. That's adorable. Oh, that's pretty adorable. I can't even see what's on there in case you're missing Periscope now. You can see what's on the Periscope. Oh, he's gonna escape. I'm surprised that he has not escaped the nest because he is all over the place when he's out here. Oh, where are you going? Oh, where are you going? Let's see what else we have for you. Toys. Is that a ball? They will be 4 weeks old. On what day? What? Hi, you're so cute. Oh, do you want to see the, he's very pudgy. See how his belly? There's his belly. Look at his little belly pudge. Little belly pudge. The light's better on this side. Oops, sorry. Again, superior camera work. What's all this? What's all this, Bartholomew? What is it? Oh. Girls, let's see what the Maisie McGrew thinks of all this. Oh my goodness, she's not as brave. It is off the floor, which is an improvement. He's growing into his pudge a little bit. Are you growing into your pudges? Let's see what Trudy's pudge situation is. She says, you predator. Oh, I spit at you. It's so undignified. So I apologize for not responding to chat on Periscope. I'm still seeing 0 viewers and no chat messages. So at least you're getting some good close-ups. Where are you going, Miss McGrew? Barty's walking is spectacular. He gets his legs right underneath him. It's very impressive. Look at him go. So these guys were born March 10th. So they will be 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks on the 6th. So they're 3.5 weeks old. I set up a space for them so they can spend a little more time out of the nest exploring to help with their development, since Sable is very protective in keeping them in that nest. She's determined. Oh, what's this? What's all this? It's a pudge. So brave. Hi, Maisie McGrew. Are you gonna be brave? Are you gonna be brave? Oh, a growl. I've had tiny hisses before, and I've even had tiny spits before, but I've never had tiny growls. And such, I mean, she means it. She means it. Don't you? You mean it. Your face. Oh, too close. Too close. Where are you going? Did you get lost? Sisters. Oh, you were too cute. You need your face washed a little bit. Tiny growls. So, probably, I was hoping that I could keep them with Mommy Sable longer than the usual for 4.5 weeks, because she's doing such a good job. She's such a good mommy. But that's contingent on whether she will continue to allow me in there, because as you can see, certain kittens are picking up their social cues from their mommy, and certain kittens are not. Certain kittens failed to get the memo from mom, but some kittens really took that memo to heart. This one, Maisie's not sure yet. Oh, were you being brave and then you regretted it? Oh, the little Maisie squeak. They're so cute. So in case you're watching on Periscope and you're not following along, you can go to tinykittens.com and see what we do. These are rescue kittens. We're fostering pregnant feral cats so they can have their kittens in a safe environment. Only 25% survive when they're born in the wild, so bringing them in, we can give them the best possible chance. We can socialize them. And then we can find them really good homes, and we can make sure everybody gets spayed and neutered. Oh, they're very ferocious though. It's very dangerous work. It's very dangerous. But you can go to tinykittens.com. You can watch these guys on a 24/7 live stream at tinykittens.com/live. Oh, she's gonna get Barty. You can see stuff like this all day long. Oh, they're so cute. What are you girls doing? Besides being really adorable. Oh, they're so cute. I should get my camera. Where are you going, Barty? Oh, well, but you were being so cute there for a minute. Oh, well, they know that I got my camera on, so it was no longer fun to be cute. I mean, you're still cute. You just see her posing, and it was so cute. It's adorable for kittens to be pudgy, but once they get bigger, it's not as cute. But it's nice when they're little that they have a little bit reserves. So I do like my kittens pudgy. Oh, uh-oh, where's your sister going? Maybe you should go with her. Oh. Yeah, I know. He's definitely a boy. Definitely a boy. There you go. You guys can see this is what boys look like. He's so cute. Oh. He must have that Mr. T Comet personality gene. Isn't it interesting though how different the kittens, how much of a difference personality makes? This is why people are always questioning, like, is Sky really feral? Is, Neelix really feral? But you can see how much personality plays a role. You need to work on your thighs. Because if these guys didn't get socialization, like, they haven't had a ton of socialization just because it's been so hard to get them out of the nest. And I don't want to stress Mama out too much by stealing them all the time. But they've had the same amount of socialization, and Barty is confident and he's ready to go, and he's climbed into my lap and he likes being petted. And Trudy, on the other hand, wants nothing to do with me. Nothing to do with me. So you can see, if they had been born in the wild, they would both be feral. But one day we probably would be able to socialize Barty at the feeding station, and probably we would not be able to socialize Trudy. Luckily, since they're here, they will all be just fine. But it's a good illustration of why some people think that not all of these feral cats are feral, when in fact they are feral. Just a lot of it comes down to personality. They're all individuals. Even you, Maisie McGrew. Oh, she's so close to the human predator. You're the least brave. The least brave. You should come over here and sit right here. Oh, so cute. This is good. We can do a little bit of eyeliner. Barty's eye looks really good. Maisie had a little bit of discharge yesterday, so I put some ointment in her eyes. Trudy's looking pretty good. She has a little bit today. But I'm hoping that that's all they get is from the URI. They all of the colony kittens have gotten pretty wicked upper respiratory infections just because they run in the colony and the mums bring them in. And even if they don't have symptoms, they still pass them along to the babies. But I'm hoping this time, since we vaccinated, hoping that will help. It'll be interesting to see. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. You guys are going to be ready for a nap when I put you back in there. Trudy. Trudy McFuzz. Hi. Are you ferocious? Those are some big paws, Mr. Barty. It's going in reverse. So the colors, I think that the baby daddies were ginger, because statistically speaking, Sable for girl kittens would pass along 50% ginger and 50% black. So clearly with Maisie, she passed along her ginger gene, and then daddy is a ginger. And so that's how Maisie ended up a ginger. Bartholomew gets his color from mom, so he got ginger from mom, so he doesn't help us out at all. And then Trudy could have gotten the black gene from Sable and ginger from dad, making her Trudy. Or she could have gotten ginger from mom and black from dad. But I think it would be unlikely that statistically she should have had 2 black and 2 ginger. So I think it's most likely that she passed black to Trudy and that Trudy got ginger from dad. So it could be the same dad, could be multiple dads. And probably there was one tabby dad too. At least one tabby dad. Could have been a ginger tabby though. Oh, look at that. So cute. So cute. Yep, Cindy Lou was also ginger and black. So she could have gotten black from mom and ginger from dad, and tabby pattern from both actually. Oh, look at that ferocious kitten. Are you grunting? You're so cute. So we'll see what happens when Sky's kittens are born. Sky has the same basic color combinations as Sable, except that she has a more dominant white gene. So depending on who the dad was, the kittens may have more white on them. And Savina will have probably similar kittens. Ginger, a mix of gingers and blacks. Possibly some tabbies in there. Possibly. Torbies. And Neelix's base color is black. So if she had ginger baby daddies and she passes her black and they pass their ginger, then she could have Torbies or Calabies. Where are you going? You're so brave. So much exploring. Neelix has the classic tabby pattern, yes. The swirly, that's the same as Maisie. Maisie also has, this is Maisie. Maisie also has classic tabby, that's the swirly one. Barty has a mackerel pattern, which is like the bones of a mackerel fish. Like just very thin little stripes. Very handsome. Very, very handsome. So boys get so color is carried on the X chromosome. So girls have an X and an X, and boys have an X and a Y. So girls get 2 color traits, and boys just get 1, and the boys get theirs from their mom. So the boy, Neelix's boy babies will be either black or gray, or black tabby or gray tabby, with or without white. And the girl kittens could be many different combinations. And we know there's also that very strange recessive pointed gene like Katydid got. So I haven't really looked into very much how that works because it's so rare. But somewhere in the colony that gene is carried. Starling has blue eyes, which is also in the same family as the pointed gene, so probably comes from the same cat originally, whoever that cat was. But I've never seen a pointed cat at the feeding station. Maisie McGrew, do you need your face washed? Maisie McGrew? So I'm expecting Savina to have kittens in the next 3 days, according to her ultrasound and when we started seeing belly vision. I've been predicting that there will be kittens on or by April 6th. So I'm thinking that she will go first. And let's see, I don't know, oh, I guess I don't have her up right now. She's definitely been restless and digging in her nest, which is one of the signs that it's getting closer. Do you have a little runny nose? Oh, the little runny noses. Barty. Barty, close up. Look at his eyeballs. They're so handsome. Your pupils are very dilated. There they are. Because it's not very bright in here. There's your sister. She's being brave. I think she's being brave. So I'm going to try to keep them out here a bit longer now that they're old and they I think they would benefit from some scamper time. And as long as Sable isn't too upset with me when I bring them back. Hello. Oh, look at the Maisie McGrew trying to use her leg muscles. She's so cute. She's so cute. What? Savina's been really interesting because she was the one that I was most worried about at the beginning because she was so panicky. She's kind of the quintessential feral cat, climbing the walls and super panicky, not happy about being here. Will definitely be happiest returning to the forest. And I think it's her first time with having babies, and so that always worries me. And especially since I know that I cannot interfere if something goes wrong. And so I've been most nervous about her, but seeing her lately has been very sweet because she loves her nest so much, and she goes in there and she sucks on the blanket and she makes biscuits and she rolls around and she's upside down with her belly in the air, and all signs that she's feeling safe and comfortable, which I would not have predicted that she would ever feel so safe and so comfortable. And so I'm feeling more hopeful that she will she won't be too stressed to care for them. Of course, if she's inexperienced and has trouble, then that's a different issue. But I'm feeling pretty good that she's not going to reject them due to stress unless I have to go in there and intervene, which I really hope I don't. Which I will only do if it's life or death. What, girls? So we'll see. Trudy is so ferocious. She needs some human time. Hi, Maisie McGrew. Oh, you three are so cute. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to broadcast Savina. I'll see how it goes. But oh, lap time, more lap time. You're so cute. Oh, so cute. All right, I'm going to stop the Periscope. Thanks for tuning in. You can find out more at tinykittens.com, and you can watch these guys 24/7 at tinykittens.com/live. And thank you for watching.